Right, so this is my old light switch. This is my new one. Why did I replace it? Well, I'm actually not going to explain the reason, but it was definitely something I did by an accident. You know what? I will explain. It's basically, I was like angry, and then I must have, I bashed my light switch, and I must have broke it somehow inside, because it clicks fine and whatever, but the light does not turn back off when you turn it on. It remains continuously on. So I had to turn off the breaker, take this off, using, I unwired it. Obviously it still has like the old wiring, I think, even though it did have brown ends on it to indicate the thingy, so it must have been updated at some point, but it's still original wiring. So this one would be common, and this is a one-way switch, so this is switched live. L3 would go to another switch or something, I don't know. This is a Volex 1000 series. Oh, the new one's just a generic one, RPP. Yeah, it's probably a rebrand of a million other switches just like that one. And this one's like 20 odd years old. I mean, it's not, I wouldn't go that far. Let's see. Yeah. Tested 80709. So it's at least a decade old. Yeah. Well, that's going to be it for now. Since it's like 12:30, so I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.